All right, hey y'all. It's currently Wednesday, I think about 10:30. We were supposed to leave for a Lonestar Throwdown at 6 in the morning. Tried really hard to get the big truck ready. The coils we got bent and just they're bad. So big truck not coming with us, unfortunately, but we're gonna try to make the best of it. We're both kind of upset. But I'm packed, Gabe's got to shower and get packed, and then we're on our way. It's gonna be about a 24-hour drive. Okay, it's been like 30 minutes and Gabe's tired. He has like 4 hours of sleep on him right now. So, my turn. He's getting me a bang though, so. Okay, we're about 9 hours in. I think we're in Oklahoma. Something like that. We're riding with some buddies. I don't know where they went actually. Okay, they're back there. This has actually gone by super fast. And I never drive. I hate driving. Yeah.
And then you drank 2 bangs.
Yeah, I drank 2 bangs. I don't think I'll ever look at an energy drink ever again. Because I literally thought I was going to have a stroke because well, Gabe mentioned somebody having a stroke and I just have anxiety as it is, and then I started like telling myself I was having a heart attack, and yeah, that's all. We're in Texas. That actually was like a really, like, the drive was not bad. First time we ever drove to Texas, it was ass. Like, we were miserable. This time it literally feels like we drove for like 2 hours. But we're at our Airbnb. I'm making Gabe some noodles. But Lauren's coming. Chris and his friend are staying here. Gabe's in the shower, he's getting ready. I'll do my hair, and then I think we're all gonna carpool over to the pre-party. It's at like a bowling alley arcade type thing. So I think that's gonna be really fun. There's gonna be a lot of people there. They're here. No soliciting. Lauren's putting Gabe's sticker on.
I'm too lazy to do it, that means.
Ready.
From here?
Sure.
She didn't react at all. She didn't get his foot.
I guess. You buying a truck too? No.
definitely gave us like hell.
Ta-da!
Thank you.
Thank you. Now Central.
Good one. We just got back from that. And I wanted to show you guys a tour of the Airbnb because we can. So first we have Gabe trying to stall his truck in the garage. And this is the front door. And then you come this way and there's Lauren. And there's these rooms. Lauren's very excited about having a small bed. Oh no. I thought your purse like went flying, but it didn't. And then this is the family. Listen to him. And our kitchen. We're so good at adulting, actually. No. Yeah, so that is our very full fridge. We're really good at that. And there is a backyard. And then we come this way. This is me and Gabe's room. We've destroyed it already. And this is our bathroom. Shower. I am taking my hair out of these. Oh, that hurts. Wow. My hair, it was like really wavy and it fell out, which is kind of depressing. My hair doesn't do well in humidity. It's not used to it. Ow. Oh, frick. Okay, that was painful, but I got it. Okay, so for me right now it is the 25th. I'm probably uploading this video the 26th. So right now, today was just the pre-party and tomorrow is the first day of the LST weekend. So I'm uploading this on the 26th and I'm going to record Friday, Saturday, probably a little bit of Sunday, and then I'm hoping to get that up on Monday. But yeah, I just wanted to get a video up for you guys, let you guys know that we are here. And if you see us, come say hi, take pictures. Somebody's coming in the room. It's Lauren. Here she is.
Whoa.
She got tattooed on. It's beautiful.
Look at this turbo.
It looks so good, actually. I haven't got to look
It's
at
in
it.
the peeling stage. It's in the ugly stage. Don't mind it, okay?
It's okay. Here, maybe this one. We'll see you guys in the next video. Weep, weep.